team, RCSU 4A, PSAGS, an inspiring content creator in sport shooting, none other than Police Major Vicente Peter.
Good morning, everyone. It's my honor and privilege to speak in front of you. Welcome to our orientation. I am Police Major Secretary of the North, presently assigned Chief SAGS, Chief Intelligence at Regional Central Security Unit of Sitilin, Barangay Mayapa, and Lubak. And delighted to be here with you today as we embark on this journey together in ensuring safety and security. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to each of you for choosing me as your resource speaker today. Your role as security guards is crucial. You are entrusted with the responsibility of safeguarding our clients, their property, and maintaining order in various environments. During your time here, you will receive comprehensive training to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary for success in your duties. This includes understanding security protocols, using surveillance equipment, conducting patrols, and responding to emergencies with confidence and professionalism. Our organization values and integrity, vigilance, and proactive communications. As security guards, you are not just observers, but also ambassadors of safety. Your presence and actions will reassure our clients and the public that they are in capable hands. Remember, effective security is a team effort, collaboration with your colleagues. Effective communication with management and clients and continuous improvement through ongoing training will be key to our collective success. We can uphold the highest standards of security and make a positive impact on those we serve. I look forward to working alongside each of you and witnessing the contribution we will make to our organizations. Let's make safety our priority and strive for excellence in everything we do. Before we end, always remember our primary role is to protect people, property, and enforce rules and regulations to ensure safety. Once again, thank you and good morning.